By utilizing the hidden factory, plant capacity increases. The hidden factory refers to the production capacity lost due to unnecessary operating time and waste of production rate. It can total more than half of the plant and equipment capacity in organizations that are unaware of their time and production waste. To find the size of the hidden factory, it is necessary to measure actual performance against the maximum rated potential of the operation. The difference between the two maximum possible and actual achievement is the hidden factory size. As plant uptime increases, so does production, all while maintaining the same amount of time and cost. The increases drive the unit cost down, the return on assets increases, the profit also rises, and because customers receive their orders sooner, their satisfaction levels rise. The 6 big losses of TPM are not primarily concerned with maintenance performance, as David Sherwin, a professor of maintenance and reliability, advises. The 6 losses of TPM are mainly production losses, for which the maintenance policy is one of several factors analyzed. They do not all relate directly to maintenance. TPM contains nothing wrong or detrimental to the company's economics. Still, it is incomplete as a system for maintenance and as a philosophy for equipment and life cycle health. However, it allows maintenance to interact with other functions, including measuring its success, overall equipment effectiveness, a key factor in maximizing profitability. The use of waste removal to drive competitive advantage within organizations was pioneered in the 1980s by Toyota's chief engineer, Taichi Ono, and Sensei Shigeo Shingo, and it is fundamentally oriented towards productivity rather than quality. Value stream mapping is recognized for uncovering waste in manufacturing, production, and business processes by identifying and separating value-adding steps and tasks from those that are non-value-adding. A process flow diagram showing all steps in the process, including feedback/feed-forward and error rectification requirements, is drawn to reflect the operation's current state map. From the customer's perspective, the person who will use the output realizes the value. Value-adding is those actions and resources that create value for the customer. Non-value-adding activities are all the steps taken in the process that contribute no value to the customer but are still paid for when they purchase the product or service. Ask, would the customer be less satisfied with the product if this step were left out?